Hey guys, so just like last time, I'm going to just work out the problems and I'm going to show you how to do everyone, but I'm not actually going to give you the answer. So we're going to start with the multi-step example, and we're basically balancing a checkbook. So this is what you're going to start with. This is what you already have in the bank. And then every time you have a withdrawal, that means you're going to subtract. And every time you have a deposit, that means you're going to add. Okay? So we're going to start with this. So we have 1,252.26. And we have to subtract, because it says withdraw, we have to subtract 850. Now remember, when you subtract decimals, you have to have the place values lined up. See? So it's 850.00, okay? Because I don't have any cents. So I'm going to subtract, and I'm going to get 402.26, okay? So that's going to go here, 402.26, okay? Then it says we're going to deposit 900, so that means I'm going to add $900 to the bank account. So I'm going to add that, and I get 1,302.26. So that's going to go here, 1,302.26, okay? Then I took out $100, so I have to subtract $100, and I get 1,202.26, and that's going to go here, 1,202.26. Then I'm going to take out another $50, so that's going to be minus 50. And we're going to get 1,152.26. Then I'm going to add $900 because I got a paycheck. Plus, and I get 2,052.26. Okay. Oops, I forgot to do this one. 1,152. And then 2,052.26. And then finally I had to subtract $350. Okay, and I get 1,702.26. 1,702.26. Okay, and that's going to be the last amount of money that I have in the bank account after I take out all this money and add all this money. Okay, all right, so for number one, again, it says you have $985, and then it says withdraw. So this is going to be minus, and then a fee, that's also going to be minus. So we're going to subtract $250 minus, and you're also going to subtract $8.75. So you have to subtract 250 and subtract $8.75, and then you get your answer. So over here, again, you have to start with $1,025.65, and then deposit means add. So you're going to add $127.50. Add that together. Then after you add that, you have to subtract, because this is a fee. So after you get this, then you subtract $10.25, and then you get your answer. Okay? All right, turn it over. So, for numbers 3, 4, and 5, you're going to have to use this right here. So again, every time you withdraw, that's a subtraction, and every time you deposit, that's an addition, okay? Now, there's something wrong here, so we need to fix it. This, cross it out here, and it goes down here. Okay, so 925 goes down here. Okay. So if it says, what was Daffy's balance on 3/13? Okay, so that means we're going to stop right here. So we have to do 5,724.32, and then we're going to add $925, and we're going to add $55. So after you add that, you should get your answer here. Okay. Then over here we want the balance on 617, so that means after this right here. So whatever you get up here, we're going to subtract 2,314.25, and we also have to subtract 157.34, and then you should get your answer. And then finally, the last one, you have to finish the rest, subtract 1,246.75, subtract $410, and then add $925. Okay, and you should get your answer. Then over here at the bottom, whatever answer you get here, you're going to have to subtract minus 200 and minus $2.50, and then you should get your answer down at the bottom. Okay. And number 7, again, you start with $400 with 67 cents, and then a deposit is a plus, and another deposit is another plus. So you have to add $800.75, and then add another $100, and you add all those together, and you should get your answer. And number 8, you have to start with the balance, which is 1,906.13, and then it says that she's going to have a deposit, which is a plus, so plus 120.50. Okay. Then after you get that, you have to have a check, so that's minus, so whatever you get here, minus $348.25, and then you should get your answer. Okay. And number 9, finally, we have several things to do. So you're going to start with $782 with 64 cents. Then it says that interest, that's plus, so you have to add $82 plus 82. Then a charge, it's going to be minus $49.71, so whatever you get here. Then a deposit is plus, so plus $579.11, and then after you get that, minus $212.50, and then you should get your answer down here at the bottom. Alright, so like I said, I didn't give you the answers, but I showed you how to do them, so make sure you show all your work. Thanks.